Friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video, we are going to see some master setup setting, create loan with zero rate of interest, how it will work. So just have a look. So from the search bar, I will search one customer. So go to the loan. So let's take a personal loan, for example, 5,000. Rate of interest, I will take 0%. And let's take for 5 months. The interest with principal. Now I will just go and calculate this amount. So you can see that zero interest is not allowed. So there is one master setup setting we need to do. So I will go to the master setup and setting. So go to the general and here allow to create account with zero rate of interest. So I will just setting value keep it Y capital ES and I will just add. So now I will go and search that customer again. And now I will just create loan. So personal loan, for example, let's say 5,000, zero rate of interest and for let's say 5 months. So now I will just calculate. So here you can see 5,000 principal, 1,000 is the installment and interest is 0%. So I can save this loan from here. So you can see loan number 3 has been created successfully. So this rule will work in Jainam Software. And now I can search this loan number from the search bar, loan number 3. So 5,000 is the principal amount, zero interest. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. And don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.